Hi everyone, happy Wednesday. So before I'm about to jump in this shower, because I know some of the oils that are in here I'm going to use afterwards, I thought I would do an unboxing. Plus Molly's having a cow over there because she sees other dogs out and she wants to go out. So I got a box. It's dōTERRA. Yeah. So yes, this is the day in the life of our quarantine. Hey Molly, settle. This is what she does. Can you hear her? You need to take a chill pill. How about some oils? You want to help me, Molly? Got a box. Let's open it. Just give me a look like, I want to be outside. So let's open this box and see what is in here. You ready? I gotta open it with the scissors first. Like I said, shower's next, but I know some of the things in here I'm going to be applying right afterwards. So I wanted to open it with you guys. All right, here we go. This is my loyalty rewards order, or I call it my my wellness box because all my wellness goodies are in here. All right, I'm super excited. So I had to order a big one of these, and I did do 2 boxes, so this is only one of my orders. That's why I'm surprised this one came earlier, because I placed this one after my other one, but because I have, I think, a bunch of on-guard products in the other one, that's why it's a little delayed. So here's the shampoo. You're running low, so I got another new shampoo. This is where you're gonna get your most savings because it's in the large one. Oh, I have a box. And then, I don't know what's in this. I think I do. Oh, so I got some more for Wally just in case, because all the On Guard products are going quickly. I got him some more laundry soap in case he goes, I need more laundry soap. So at least I am prepared for when he needs more. Molly, you're fine. Oh, you ready? All right, so I've got a lemon and lavender oil. Clean every day with lemon and use it in water, and it's great. These 2 together with peppermint are amazing. So I know in my next order I have a bunch of like 200, well, maybe it's $200 in free oils. So these I believe are also free. I always get my oils free because I get a lot of points and credit when I do my loyalty orders. And then I usually just buy like my everyday items like the shampoo and stuff like that. So lavender, great, but lemon, lavender, peppermint, great for seasonal threats. But lavender is calming, so those are in there. Then I got the petal, precious florals. We're gonna open that in a second. Free clementine. And then I threw in the hydrating cream. This is what I'm really excited to try. I actually haven't tried this yet. But I've been hearing amazing things and it's back in stock. So we're gonna open this. I will open the precious florals, trust me. I'm really excited. That's why I was excited to open it. So here's the hydrating cream. This is the size, so you kind of get an idea. It's a nice size container. There's lavender, jasmine, geranium, and frankincense. Deeply moisturizes and nourishes. As you can tell, I'm having a little bit of some breakouts, and I've been using my own homemade, but I was really excited to try this. Oh, it smells amazing. Bethany has been talking about it a lot and sharing, and I know a lot of people that like it, so I can't wait to try it and let you guys know what I think. So this is part of one of our skincare lines. I think we have 4 different skincare lines. I have the Immortelle skincare line, and then this is from the Essential Skincare, which I know a lot of people like this one too, but it depends on your skin type. And again, it's got some quality oils in it, so I'm excited to try this and see what my skin thinks. I do make my own things, but I was really excited to try it since I've heard amazing things and it's back in stock, and then I can share with you guys. All right, I threw in one of these to this order, and I think I threw in one in my other order. So when my other order comes, I'll have to unbox that for you guys. So Wally wanted some more of this, and this has been really great to have. And it's got the alcohol in it, the ethyl alcohol, 64%. And so we can call it a antiseptic sanitizing mist spray. So it does kill 99.9% of germs. So this has been amazing to have on hand, and I know Wally will be excited to get some more of that. So I've been stocking up, plus it was some gifts for some people. All right, who's ready to open the presset? The florals. I am. I don't know what the Blue Lotus smells like, so I'm really excited to smell it. All of these are great for skin support. Oh, this is so pretty. Love the packaging. So spring-like. Love the idea of looking like watercolors. And then feels like it's magnetic. Here we go. Oh, they got moved a little bit in shipping, so let me make them. So this is them. Super pretty. I am so excited. So we've got the rose in there, jasmine, neroli, magnolia, all oils I have and use. And I've been using magnolia and jasmine a lot lately. That's what they look like. Isn't that pretty? All right, so the moment we've been waiting for. What does the Blue Lotus smell like? Been asking everyone that's been getting theirs. Oh, they're so tiny. So precious. Ooh. That is really hard to describe. It's very, very soft. It's not like in your face. But I can see why people have talked about putting jasmine or magnolia over the top, layering these two together. Because it's so light that I think we're going to try it. We're going to add the magnolia on top. I'm going to layer it and see what happens. Ooh, I do like that. I like that layered. That's really nice. So it's really soft. It's a floral. But it is hard to describe. Now I get why everyone was saying that it was hard to describe. Can't put my finger on it. But it's delicate in scent. I don't know if that helps. And like the others are very prominent. This is very soft, very it's almost like you had to get up close to the flower to smell it. But then it's got this very pleasant, sweet scent. That is really nice. I like the Blue Lotus. I like that it's very subtle. Like I said, I'm saying that a lot because I really don't know how to describe it. You're going to have to get your own. They are $68 until they run out. But yeah, Blue Lotus, I love that. That's going to be so fun. So there's the precious petals. Super excited about that. And I'm excited to try my hydrating cream for the first time. Heard amazing things, and I'm excited to try it. I will probably start to only use it once a day instead of twice a day, and that way it lasts even longer for me. But I'm excited to try and see, because I hear it's just great for any areas that are really dry. And of course there's the lavender, jasmine, geranium, and frankincense in there, which are great for skin support and helping. It looks like there's mugwort in there too, or weed. Yeah, some really good stuff. Yay, I can't wait to try it, you guys. All right, so share with us in comments or pictures or post your wellness box, your loyalty orders that you got, what you're most excited, if you have a favorite. I know some of you have been posting pictures of your precious petals, but I love it. I'm so excited this is back in stock. And then we've got this. I've had some of you asking about the Deep Blue Polyphenol Complex soft gel, or the capsules. They are still in the loyalty rewards order. What is it? One of the kits has it in there. I think it's like the athletes or aches and discomfort one. So you have to go to the collections and then look at loyalty rewards orders, and you can then get it that way in there. But as far as getting it with your lifelong vitality pack and that sort of thing, you're not going to be able to get that for a little while. They have not released a date of when it's coming back, but at least you can get it in the kits. So people who decide they want to get in some of the kits and the ones that it's in, you'll be able to get it that way. So just keep that in mind. All right, Harry Potter-ish. Is that what you're saying, Mom? Yeah, Blue Lotus. It's just, oh, I don't know how to say it. It's just beautiful. Great scent. All right, it's time for me to go take my shower and then use my hydrating cream and let you guys know what I think. And yeah, that was what was in this box. I have box number 2 coming on the way. And like I said, we've got got the On Guard laundry soap. And his isn't out yet. We got the free Clementine that you can get through the 25th of this month if you do, or not 25th, 15th, sorry. But you have to do 125 PV by the 15th and you'll get that free. And the On Guard I threw in there. And we got lemon and lavender in there. And then of course a big thing of shampoo. Perfect. All right, we'll see you all next time. Have a great rest of your day. And Wednesday, I will be back live tomorrow for LRP Love. And I can't wait to see you all. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Share some of the oils. I know I have a post that I did this morning saying share your mood, and then we can comment and share what oils we think people might need or might be helpful for supporting them through that mood or helping them kind of change their mood. So it's been fun to see what your little posts have been, and keep those coming. It's been fun to see that today. All right, well, I better go shower and then do some more stretching and take the dog for a walk because she's begging before it rains. She wants to go. All right, have a great day. Bye, everyone.